Hello my dear friends, I am Sri Arjun. Welcome to my channel. Those who are watching me now and those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all my videos, because in every video I am sharing new ideas which I have experienced in my own life, and in every ideas you will see there is an absolute truth hidden within them, and with that absolute truth you can enhance your lives in every possible direction. Today I will discuss about the attachment to anything and its consequences. Here I will say something from particle physics, from modern physics, so that our scientific oriented mind can quench its thirst. Why we will be detached, why we should not be attached. That kind of understanding will come to you easily after listening this scientific understanding. When we were in our childhood, our nanny used to scold us, saying like that, "You stupid boys, why you are constantly watching the sapling? If you constantly watching saplings, they will not grow properly." We used to neglect our dadi, saying that, "Dadi, you are very old-fashioned lady." It is not so. If we watch, how can it stop growing? It is ridiculous. Then after few months, 2-3 months, dadi came out correct. The sapling didn't grow even 2-3 inches, and we are totally confused. What happened to sapling? We had taken so much care, but sapling didn't grow even a few inches. Now we can understand after the emergence of particle physics. Dadi was correct. Dadi was saying from some ancient wisdom. It was not at all dogma or philosophy or mythology. Dadi was totally correct. Now I am telling you, I am elaborating little bit about the scientific investigation. Now it is the most challenging subject at present time in the scientific department. When the scientists try to measure the exact location of a particle, that is when they try to measure the momentum of a particle, then their very observation arrest the particle's time evolution. That means particle becomes so rigid that it doesn't move, it doesn't change its place, doesn't move. And if the particle doesn't move fixed at some place, then that particle will not form any wave pattern. If the wave pattern is not formed, there will be no wave function. If there is no wave function, then we will not get any derivatives out of it. And if there is no derivatives out of it, no wave function or wave pattern, then there is no possibilities in life, because a wave contains the possibilities of life. All the future events are there in an unmanifested value. So the moment the scientists observe the outcome of the experiment, then that very process of experiment, the very methodology of experiment itself arrests the movement and momentum of this particle. So it is very intrinsic subject. I am not going through more details, but it is happening in the scientific department. Still it is sabotaging the scientific analysis, the scientific outcome. Still it is very challenging subject in the scientific department of modern particle physics. So see, the ancient wisdom was so correct. Now the scientists are understanding it. Scientists are approving, acknowledging the fact of Eastern mysticism. They are also following the path of spirituality. So my dear friend, I am saying this thing so that you can not sabotage your life with your infatuation, with your attachment. When you are attached to anything subjectively or objectively, your attachment is closing the door of possibilities, and it is happening everywhere. Perhaps you might have experienced this thing in your own life. So what to do? You just have a goal and you just initiate your action with detached involvement. Then you will see in every possible direction, you will enhance your life very comfortably, easily and effortlessly.